Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to effectively clean junk files on your Windows 11 laptop. Cleaning up these files not only makes your computer run smoother, but also frees up storage space for better usage. First, press the Windows R keys to open the Run dialog box. Then, type temp and hit Enter. A window will pop up showing temporary files created during your computer use. Press Ctrl A to select all files, then press the Delete key to remove them. If any files can't be deleted, simply skip them. Next, open the Run dialog again by pressing Windows R, type %, temp%, and hit Enter. Similar to the previous step, select all files in this folder and delete them. These are also temporary files generated by the system and applications. For the third step, we'll clean up system junk files. Open Settings by clicking the Windows icon and go to the Home menu, then select Storage. Under the Temporary Files section, you'll see a list of file types that can be deleted, such as temporary files, recycle bin contents, and temporary backups. Check the boxes for the items you want to delete, then click Remove Files. Lastly, we'll use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool in Windows. Search for Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open the application. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. The tool will calculate the junk files that can be deleted. Just select the necessary items and click OK to finish. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully cleaned up the junk files on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.